Meal delivery kits like Marley Spoon, Sunbasket, Home Chef, and more are really popular now, especially since the pandemic has started. These are really popular and people want to know, are they risky? Is it safe to eat? Are these good options for my family? So that's what we're here to talk about today. The important part to think about when you get these services are time and temperature of the food. What matters is how it's packaged. So you need to look at what coolants they're using. So are they using dry ice? Are they using gel packs? How long has it been in transit? All these factors of time and temperature matter. What you want to look at when you get these boxes at home is first, you want to make sure that you take the temperature of the food. If the temperature is below 41 degrees Fahrenheit, the food is safe to eat. If the food is above 41 degrees Fahrenheit and it's been sitting on your porch for more than 4 hours, this is the time to consider tossing it. You want to look at other factors too besides temperature. You want to look at temperature abuse. So if I got this package at home and there was maybe water markings or it seemed a little warped, I may think, well, how long was this in transit? What was the temperature outside? How long was it sitting on the truck? Would be an important thing as well that you want to look at. Also, when you look on the inside of the food packaging, you want to see if there's ice crystals still on the food. A lot of times these services will say, as long as the food is cool to the touch, it's safe. Cool to the touch is not an indicator that the food is safe. So this is why you really do need to check the temperature with a food thermometer. If you do decide to do these meal delivery kits, is that there could potentially be recalls or outbreaks with the food that they deliver with you. That's one thing that you are losing control of, is you're not really sure where your romaine lettuce is coming from, for example. Another thing that's really important is looking at the type of insulation that it comes in. So a lot of these boxes are packaged differently. So for example, this Marley Spoon one, it's got this like temperature packaging here, and it's pretty thick. And what was inside here also was gel packs. So there were about 4 gel packs in here, and it maintains the temperature of the food well. But how do I know this? I checked the temperature of it when it came to my house. Let's take a look at this Home Chef package. So this is a different sort of insulin here. So this was measured as 3 centimeters, whereas the Marley one was measured 4. So this one has a little less insulation. However, this came with 6 coolants instead, which was great. Once it's at your home, it is your responsibility to put it in the refrigerator as soon as possible after you check the temperature. You can work with these companies as well. Tell them where you want your box to be delivered at your porch.